Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos Natasha's kitchen. Start by washing produce, slicing onions, and chopping cilantro while you heat a skillet on medium-high. Season your chosen protein with salt, pepper, and spices, then cook until browned and fully cooked through. Warm tortillas briefly on the pan, assemble tacos with protein and toppings, and squeeze lime over the finished tacos before serving. When selecting proteins, pick options that suit your time and taste preferences to keep cooking easy and satisfying. For faster meals, ground beef or turkey cooks quickly and soaks up spices well, while shredded rotisserie chicken saves prep time and still tastes great. For a lighter meal, pan-seared fish with chili powder cooks fast and holds together on tacos. Adjust seasoning levels and salt to match your family's preference for spice and tang. Assembling tacos is where you make them your own, so keep a relaxed pace and taste as you go. Start with a warm tortilla, add a hearty portion of protein in the center, then top with onions, cilantro, and a creamy sauce if you like. A squeeze of lime brightens every bite, and offering toppings in bowls lets guests customize tacos to their preference. Keep napkins handy and enjoy the process with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.